Now let me introduce one of our reset mount non-linear light, 31133. It is like this. It has a special design. Here is 45 degrees lighting angle, the light to the back side, you see. It is an anti-glare design. So when our eyes look into it, we will feel comfortable. And it's also solder-free design. You can cut any lens you need it. You can direct cut it. You don't need to remove the aluminum, the lens, the tape slice. Just completely cut it and clean. And then clean the wire. That's all. And normally this light used in this side closet. You can see from the top side to the bottom side, one light in the side panel. Also the shelf, each shelf have one piece. And all the lighting directions is to the back side. So you see it looks very nice. But you need to take care about it. You have a left side and also have a right side when you order it. So you should take care because the light all should be to the back side. So this is our 31133 reset mount linear light.